Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta Explorer 60. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Rowenta Explorer 60 can't move properly, it's likely due to a broken central wheel. This issue can occur from regular wear and tear or an obstacle getting stuck in the wheel assembly. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage to the device and hinder its overall performance. To fix this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement central wheel, and some tweezers. Begin by ensuring your Rowenta Explorer 60 is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully place it upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the battery, try not to pull too hard. Now, locate the central wheel assembly. It will typically be situated at the center of the device, surrounded by other components. Inspect it closely to confirm that it is indeed the wheel that's broken. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the broken wheel, gently disconnect any cables that might be in the way. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the wheel out of its housing, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Once removed, take your replacement central wheel and position it correctly in the assembly. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, being mindful of their connections. Now, it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and press down gently until it fits snugly. Replace the screws you set aside earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Once everything is back in place, turn the device over and power it on to test the new wheel. Ensure it moves smoothly without any obstructions. If you notice any issues, double-check your assembly. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the wheel area and ensure there are no foreign objects that could impede movement. Also, consider using the device on surfaces that are suitable for its design. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.